What's up, foodies? Today we're making the most amazing blueberry barbecue sauce. This blueberry barbecue sauce is perfect for grilling. Use it to glaze chicken, ribs, pork chops. It also works great as a dipping sauce for grilled vegetables or topping on a burger. So let's get into it. In a medium saucepan, we're going to combine 2 cups of blueberries, fresh or frozen work here, half a cup of ketchup, a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, a quarter cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, optionally a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Stir the mixture to combine all the ingredients. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to a low. Then simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally until the blueberries break down and the sauce thickens. If you prefer a smoother sauce, use an immersion blender directly in the saucepan and puree the sauce until it's smooth. If you don't have a stick blender, let the sauce cool a bit and blend in a regular blender. Once it's to the smoothest you like, place it into a jar and cover, and place it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Now, remember, the key to a great barbecue sauce is balancing sweet, tangy, and spicy elements. Taste your sauce as it simmers and adjust as needed. Too sweet? Add a splash more vinegar. Need more heat? Increase the cayenne pepper. I want to tell you about my new best-selling cookbook, The Food-Dee Odyssey, Totally Greek, which is now available. From mouth-watering moussaka to crispy cheese pies, every recipe is crafted with passion and love, inspired by my years of working in Greek restaurants and my months of travels all over Greece. You can grab your copy in the description below. Make sure you give this barbecue sauce a try, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, Food-Dee out.